going on, guys? Welcome back to the second part of the tag system tutorial. So here I want to show you before anything where we left off last time. So this is what we have as right now, and our main goal is to get this system right here. So where you could use add tags, just something like this. Wait, complete, etc. So let's get started. If you haven't watched the first part, please check the link below, and let's get moving. So let's see, let's start with the tag system right here. Okay, let's just run the application and see how's everything then. And I want to run in this window, yeah. So iPhone X. I don't know for some reason they should have that one as default, but every time I run it comes the iPhone 8. Anyway, this is what we have right now. So this is the code that we have. If you see in the previous video, we have we imported the collection view. I mean, we did it. We did everything programmatically. Okay, I have delegate. I gotta do the data source. You have collection view data source. We have to import that in order to, and we have this. And here, instead of number section, I have to add number for row in section. This one, see, which is different for item and row. So let's return zeros right now. Then we can just erase this one. I imported the wrong one. Okay, I think we're good. Looking good. Let's build. All right. So let's create an array just for later. So let's go down tag array. Let's call it. So we should have an array of strings, right? Something like this. Then. So like that, we later on know what to work with. So right now, as you see right here, the yellow part is the collection view. So I mean, if we go to collection view, tab, anchor, and if you want to see this all purple side is the custom view that we did. So we could use it if you want. Set as constant. Let's put it to 8. You'll see how the collection view it is inside the custom view that we built in. See, as you go over here, and if you want to do the same thing, so we have all this. So we have a button right here. So if we want right now, let me see, just go to our view. So let's create the custom view. Let's give it a background. Okay, view. Oh, okay. Right color. Yeah. White. I'll put 0. Point, let's say 85 alpha 0.1. Go to 1. And this is the collection view background, yellow. Let's make it white. And the text view, let's put light gray. And let's run it and see. Okay, so that's what we have. The collection view is supposed to be right here. As you can see, is the part that is white. We could tap right here. Okay, so let's add, where's the button? Yeah, we have the custom button right here. So just submit button dot add target, cell, target itself, and selector of this handle add tags. We're gonna create this function right now, and then so inside. So let's create this function right now. I don't know why so have this one now. You have to see it private. I like to make all my functions private. And just paste it. Okay. Let's print all missing func right here. Functions. tag. Okay, so let's run this part. Okay, as you can see right here, down here, let this run so that our button is working. Now let's create a self view. So let's go to view. On your collection view cells. You just call a tag. Just like that, you can know whatever you want. Okay. There we go. So we gotta register this out. Tag cell. This. So here we should do tag array. The count, and then we can just cast it as this view. So here we can run this. Just make sure there's no crash or anything. Okay, everything's working fine. So here, okay. So let's create this function. So now we're gonna append every time we hit a function to the array. So to the so whatever we put in here, that's what we're going to append into the array that we just created. So on click, let's just wrap this up. Let let's say tag text field, yeah, dot text return then tag array, yeah, the append tag. Let's see, and then let's print tag array dot count to see how many we have in there. Okay, so let's put one, another one, 2, 3. Okay, something we want to do. Okay, when this is every time we append this, so we want the array text field dot text equal to new. Now let's go to the here. Okay, we have to override init frame super dot init frame. Okay, there you go. This error is gonna come out. Just click fix and you all set. So let's create a function. Probably from set up properties for the cells. Okay, let's call in this function here. Okay, so I like to okay, want a label property. Yeah, so let's create let's call it tag label. Okay, and UI label. Right, label. Okay, UI label. This little thing right here is chasing the cursor return label. And here, let's make it like this, and then okay, label, okay, label. Let me just give it a little flavor. Layer dot. The one on the border, yeah. Okay, color. Dot black. Dot e. Dot layer. clear the border width. Let's put in some width, let's put a width of 1, and then let's just do the corner radius. Just do it to 10. So now let's add this label to our cell. So add subview, tag label, dot I input to, let's say 20. Those active equal to true. Tag label dot width. Enter the just give it 20. This width, let's give it 50. Then we're just gonna, something we're gonna do later on, it's just gonna create the width more dynamically. So it's giving me this error right here because I forgot to put the equal sign. So that is active. On, then tag label. Down. Let's go to center Y. Yeah, let's place in string is equal to center Y. No, I didn't want this one, so I don't want this one. There's active equal to true. Okay, so I have the high, I have the center, and right now, yeah, let me see what happens. So if I go horizontal down here, let me move this right here because I feel like I don't weird. Just look for this all over the place, so it could just be like, we could just call cell the tag label equal to tag array, okay, and this back the item. Okay, well, let's see what happened. Oh yeah, we're supposed to it's a bar. Okay, one is yeah. Jimmy, okay, oh yeah. So just copy and paste this. UI constraint. Oh yeah, that's not even, I don't even know where I got that from. Oh, and this is not gonna work. I already know why. It's not working. I got two reasons why. One thing is my collection view. I'm not reloading my collection view. So to the collection view, the reload data. And another one is just I remember right here, right now, my label. I didn't add the label, the translate, authorize, and match into constraint. This is for iOS. I don't know, it should be by default. Go to false, I don't know why it's like that. Oh, let's see now. You see, right now it's adding something. So it's a blank tool, we could do that. Whatever we add, so we're adding. And then, okay, there we go. So right now we're working fine. So let me see, where are we? Instead of with this, we could just do tag label. Let's do a left anchor constraint equal to, yeah, for this one, to left anchor that's active equal true. And we could do tag label the right anchor. As I mentioned before, we use left and right, so it could just span the size of the cell, each cell. So, and here, I mean, you know, you use left, I mean, you could use also self the right, it does the same thing, you know, but I only use self when I really have to, I don't know, for some reason. So I try to use it like that, but if it's like that, still work fine. You just run it. You see if you're running. See now how we change the side. It's better. So there is. How am I doing on time? Let me see. What? Oh, I'm looking for this. So how to do this part 2. Run correction flow, flow, delegate flow, so we could fix the size. On this pass, and we can just return the size of CG size. Okay, so height would just be the height of the collection. Usually the collection view the frame the height, right? And or we could just give it a height of 50, whatever. It's up to you and whatever size you're using. And same thing with the width. So let's try this what it is. I don't even know what I have in my own project, so instead of having to put the width, this is interesting. Oh, look how big the cell is. I was giving me a bunch of cells decide the height of the width or the entire collection view. So I'm trying to make the video short. Let's leave it right here. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to make it dynamically and how to give you the proper size as the size of the text is. I don't want to make the video too long. Now I'm just thinking of making more videos. So if you have any question, please let me know in the comment below. And if you want me to do tutorial or something, please let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And just keep programming. See you next time.